Yoshi, baby!
You're dealing right then, kid, you're gonna get far. The stakes are high, give it a try. Place your bets and we'll take you for a ride. Lost in the night, in the shimmering light, a palace of lies, greed in your eyes. Deal into the game and you can surely win it big. It's your fate to choose, go ahead and lose your inhibitions. If you wanna play with power, then you're gambling with the king. So bet on the crown, Casino Royale, chase your ambitions. Take a chance and you can win it all. High risk and high reward, but it's your final call. You can cash in now or play again. It really doesn't matter, cause you'll owe me in the end. Heed my advice, eyes on the prize, rolling the dice. Better luck next time. Deal into the game and then the world is at your feet. It's your fate to choose, go ahead and lose your inhibitions. If you wanna play with power, then you're gambling with the king. So bet on the crown, Casino Royale, chase your ambitions.
I want to tell you guys thank you for taking the time to come and have this amazing, great time. Because, I mean, what can I tell you guys? I enjoy it. Thank you for the support to all of you guys. I can see you over here. Huh? All of you guys. Thank you. Thank you for their support. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to serve your clients. Thank you for supporting my great team, marketing team here. It's not about me, it's about the team. Thank you to all our sponsors. Thank you for the support. Airtech Environmental, Soco Gas, Perez Contractors, Norris, and Forte. Thank you to you guys. This will not be possible without our sponsor and you guys.